Bonjour les enfants, bonjour Year 6, c'est Madame Dale. Alors aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer avec l'heure. We're going to carry on the topic about the time. So, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What does that mean? Can you remember? Quelle heure est-il means what time is it? Okay, before we carry on, just a bit of a practice again. Now, on the left-hand side, you have the numbers in English, and on the right-hand side, you have the numbers in French. Let's do it quickly together. Let's just recap our very easy numbers. So, number 1 is un, dit. Number 2 is deux, i. Number 3 is trois, j. Number 4 is quatre, a. Number 5 is cinq, si. Number 6 is six, i. Number 7 is sept, b. Number 8 is huit, j. Number 9 is neuf, f. Number 10 is dix, k. Number 11 is onze, h. Okay. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Now, can you remember? Our answer to quelle heure est-il is il est, it is, and then you give the time. So let's just have a look at these, recap the time we've been learning last week. So this one will be une heure. What about the next one? Deux heures. What about the next one? Trois heures. What about the next one? What would it be? Quatre heures. What about the next one? Cinq heures. And what about the last one? Six heures. Okay, and then we have the same here. Quelle heure est-il? Il est, you would say, 7 heures, 8 heures, 9 heures, 10 heures, 11 heures, etc. Okay? Now, il est midi. Both hands are on 12. So, il est midi. It is midday. Il est minuit. It is midnight. Let's carry on. In French, if you want to say quarter past, you would say quart. You can recognize the same word, can't you? Quart, quarter. When you cut something in a quarter, you cut it in 4 pieces. Quarter past is quart. Okay? So, 9:15 would be il est 9h15. So in French, you put the hour first, okay, and then the past, okay. Et demi, half past. Et demi, half past. Word by word, it means and a half. So il est 9h30 would be it's 9:30. Have you noticed again, we do everything opposite, don't we? Okay, the half past in English goes before the time, and in French you put it after the time. So it is 9:30. What it means. Okay, so we've seen quart, but what about 1:45? We're on the other side of the clock. So to say 1:45, you would say moins le quart. It's take away a quarter. It makes sense, doesn't it? This is what we do. Okay, so what time would it be here? You would say il est 10h moins le quart. 10h moins le quart. So you take 15 minutes from 10. Il est 10 heures moins le quart. It makes sense, doesn't it? Okay. Let's just recap what we've learned today. So l'heure is a time, as we know. If somebody is asking you quelle heure est-il, it means what time is it? You could say il est 1 heure, it is 1 o'clock. You could say il est midi, which is it is midday. Or you could say il est minuit, which is midnight. If you want to say quarter past, you say écart. If you want to say half past, you would say et demi. But if you want to say quarter to, you would say moins le quart. Okay. What I would like you to do now as an activity is write down in French the time. Can you write your answer underneath each clock on your sheet and stick it in your book? Okay, another activity here. So I have a few clocks and I have French written on the left-hand side. Can you try to match them up? So for example, the first one says il est 5 heures. Which one would it be? It would be D, wouldn't it? Have you got the rest? Okay, children, if you are finished, you may want to be more challenged. Now, this is some translation. Okay, so we know that l'heure is a time. Now, can you translate these sentences into English or French, depending on how they're presented? The first one says, il est 3 heures. What does it mean in English? It is 6:30. What time is it in French? Il est 10h15. What time is it in English? And finally, it is 9:45. What time is it in French? Have a go. Right, children. La leçon se termine. À bientôt.